Hey guys, I'm coming back with a review video. I just found a new spot on Melrose and it's called Sugar Taco. It's right by the Groundling School and right in the middle of the trendy part of Melrose where all the clothing stores are. It's by Lala Argentina, the restaurant. So this is one of my top. I already ate one and I am loving it so far, but this is there's like street tacos and a little pricey, but I had to try it. This is the one with, it's called Fuck You Up Guacamole. That's what it's called. And some really hot salsa. And it's carnitas, which is, it's all vegan. Believe me, all vegan. I made sure. But it's carnitas under there. Vegan carnitas. Now, they gave me a whole thing of salsa to put on my chips. Because I have chips in the car, so that's the salsa there. So good. And I have my, of course, my veggie chips that I'm going to use it with. So, now, ooh, they have a really, really spicy taco. Oh my God. It's called Ghost Pepper Taco. And it's on this kind of tortilla. God dog it. Look at that. My mouth is watering for this one. I think this is the carne asada one. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's wrong with that piece of my hair today. Anyway, I brushed and I brushed and I brushed. I think it's the wind. It's really windy out today. July has been a hell of a time in June. It's been so gloomy and ugly out. But let's get into this video. I already put my lime on this. I'm just going to do it for the video here and put it on this one also. So let's take a bite out of both. Right. Yes. And it's got all the things that every other taco has on it, like onions, cilantro, you know, things like that. Oh, that is dancing on my tongue. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's all about to fall out now. See more of it there. See the meat. Let's see. There's the meat. There we go. All shredded meat. Oh yeah. This hit the spot too. And I didn't have breakfast on purpose because I wanted to try this before I go Uber. It's street tacos. What can I say? You have to lick your fingers. Oh, and they have a little patio. I did a video also on Instagram. So I'm Tamika Haywood at Instagram. When you go over there and you'll see the video of the inside of the place and all. They have a patio for dogs. If you want to sit at the patio, you can. And have your lunch with your dog. And it's really cute. It's just really nice and colorful inside. Yeah. I usually get juice, but the juice thing was out at 7-Eleven. So I got Mountain Dew. I keep these so I can have it all day long. But I try not to drink a lot of soda. I like juice better. So there was a woman who was offended by my last video. You're always going to get that when you're a vegan, so I understand. She was trying to tell me about animals don't cause cancer, the pesticides they put in their food causes cancer, or whatever. To each his own. You think your way, I think my way, and that makes the world go around. But there's no way I'm going to stop believing what I believe. Okay, this is almost gone. We're going to get over here to this ghost pepper one. I am hoping that these people will be at the vegan fairs next year, because these tacos beat some of the tacos at the vegan fairs. Okay. Damn, I'm sorry to see that one gone. I know there's a guy on here that does food reviews. His name is Dame Drops. And I used to watch him a lot years ago when I was not a vegan. I haven't watched him so much now that I'm a vegan, because I've been trying out new places and watching vegans cook and things, and I got to get back to watching him because he does such funny reviews. I mean, forget that he's doing meat. He's just funny. Okay. Whew. That was good. I'm trying to keep this at under 10 minutes. Okay. We're on to the ghost pepper. I hope it's they want you to really sign a waiver for this. What is going on with this piece of hair? Oh, it's irritating me. Okay. A black tortilla. I'm trying not to drop anything out. Oh, here we go. See, the tortilla's black. Isn't that awesome? I almost said something. Oh my God. Woo! Okay. Woo. That got my ass. That's good, but it's woo. Okay, you saw the ooh. Oh, I wish I had some water. You saw my lips are burning. I ain't never had nothing to burn my lips. Okay, that is awesome. Oh, thank you guys for watching. The flavors are amazing. That's hot as hell. You take a little bitty bite. Not a big one like I did. Later, try sugar taco.